So yesterday we learned that the instantaneous formula of velocity is just the first derivative of our position function, where s is the position at any time t. So your homework problem from last night was to find the velocity function for the position function 2t to the third plus 5t minus 7. So, to find the velocity function, we have to take the derivative of our position function. So our velocity function at time t is equal to the first derivative of our position function. Now to find the derivative of this function, we can take the derivative term by term. So the derivative of the first term, we're going to bring our power of 3 down, multiply it by our 2. 3 times 2 is 6, and subtract 1 power from our t. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So the derivative of our first term is 6t squared. Now we're going to add the derivative of our second term. So the power of our t for our second term is 1. 5 times 1 is 5. And then we subtract 1 power from the power of our t. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Anything raised to the 0th power is just 1. So we can just leave our 5 here as is. And then we take the derivative of our last term. Now the derivative of a constant is just 0. So we don't have to write our 0 down. So then our velocity function for the position function here is 6t squared plus 5. Now the second part of this question was to find the velocity at time equals 2 for the above function. So we're just going to plug in 2 for our t in our velocity function, and we get 29 units squared per second.